Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know say a tax in a man. Represent for Talk Up TV YouTube channel, you see me? Alright, so yo, it's a part one, a loyalty test, you understand? So just watch your one here and subscribe, like, share and comment and wait for part two, you see me? I will work one straight. Blessings. Out.
Palan!
Ay,
Palan!
oh, that's all I need, so.
Well, go on, good girl.
A day and a place. Go and see if I can make a little dollar.
Why mama you look run down though?
Run down.
Look at your shop.
Lord have mercy, better run down more than me, you know.
That's true, but
Better run down more than my body.
Palan, you have to go do something.
Why? You know, think you can't do nothing for me?
Look here, you know say me and your friend. Palan, your shop run down, me have to tell you about
So
it.
that you come to tell me?
Then me not tell you if you go get consignment same way Palan, I show me your friend.
You send me, you not tell me, say you go help me, you know, I not me, you know.
Me not know money.
You send me, obviously, me can't go by myself. Same way. Can't tell me one self and go.
But you never tell yourself that. Look
Well,
here, if you want me follow you go down there, me can do that. That's all me can do right now.
So if me will get through by the hook or the crook, me will get through. Something will come.
So anyways, what going for your man?
Well, my man alright so far, you know. Treat me nice. Yeah. Put me if you live good and live large, eat lobster, shrimp. Yes. Drink all when you have. Fuck me, I drink when you. Tequila. Tequila, me a shot it by the back up. So what me now?
Boy, me there, listen about you and your man, you know. Cause you just a boast on him, so like him now go out the road behind you go do things.
No, him not do nothing behind the back.
So you swear for man?
I not really swear for him, but I trust him. I trust him like that. You not trust your man?
Of course, me trust him. But the way you talk, you dey like him higher than any other man.
Of course, we have to elevate him up.
Alright, fun. No, yourself. My man good. He not cheat on
So
me
you
and
say?
neither. I too away, I say. Cause you are swear for your man and me have to swear for my man too. But how you dey put him up there so?
Cheat pan oh. Or if you trouble, make trouble him.
Hey, mama. You know, you're a bad girl.
And I'm not doping no over frighten no you say you know.
Since you run about your mouth about your man.
Yeah, you're right, buddy miss.
Me have a plan for you. You have to put your money where your mouth then. Yeah, because I want to see which one of we man loyal.
My man loyal. My man over loyal.
You swear.
My man
God off for the cross ain't loyal.
He loyal.
How much money you have to bet? Because you look like you not even have no money neither. Your shop run down for land.
They not even know if me hide something them before you come.
You not hide nothing for land. You couldn't hide nothing so quick. My man good. How much money you they put yourself? How much money you can put?
So make you can find all that money for your bet.
Alright, we come together.
Alright then.
50 grand sound good?
So half and half you still want to put enough. Me put 10,000, put 40.
I should have a friend in a falan and then the way your shop stay. No problem.
Yeah, well, you know, I want to see you back some if you stop the liquor shop where they talk about.
Alright, maybe put the 40 and you put 10.
Alright.
When we are starting?
Can start today. When you want to start? When you want to start?
Can start today, of course.
I'll say first water and get you when washing our mouth.
Falan, we can't bother with you. We just do the bet just to see which one of we man loyal. That's it.
Do it now, better we do it today. Today.
Alright, me go for your money and come back. I walk with money and can't really.
So what? So left something with me stay when
Hey, suppose you win the bet in the end, you know, get the whole 50. Me not even go by that.
You just attempt to say what money and say I can read my eye.
Look here. If you win, you go get the whole 50. Me not go by that one the 40. Me I just give you money. Because your shop run down, you need upliftment and all.
The shop run down, not my body.
Look here, later Falan. Me check your back.
Not the good body. I must fear man a cheat. My man not cheat. You know one hell and powder house in a this. I treat him like a dopey, you see, and frankincense and more him. It have left.
You know, so I have to go back down to Falan. me have to get the money there and go back to me because she a go on like say, fear man more loyal than any other man. Yeah? So, my man loyal to me know that for a fact. Falan! Can't bother every time me come here so me have to call. Falan!
Yes.
Come man!
Yeah,
Walk with the money, you know. Oh, come here for me. It's for me, where for you there?
Girl, me put it on it. Me put it on it for sure.
Falan out of your house where you come from.
You can't, me never hear when I call me first time, you know. So I come out and me see you, me did hear the first time, would I take up it come out, me put it on it no worries. Me know how much you have already.
Me not trust you, you know. Me don't trust you.
You
But
don't have to
anyway,
say that.
Hold that.
I'm going so.
Alright, so you want to call her? Call for me one or text him or where you want to start?
Text first. Never say hi, baby. Me text first.
Text first, man. You just say I got the thing, so I'm sure.
Yes, say hi, lovely.
He not text you back.
In my text back. You don't trust them here. I love you. I'm lovely still again. Love. Honey bun.
Alright, I'm going, man.
You sent for your text already? You must send it already. Nah, text back yet.
Not that back.
Well, you can still keep your money.
Look here, just hold on.
So wait, can't wait for him or something. Yeah.
Just give it some time, man. Once you feel one go text back.
I'm anxious. I know I'm not hear bling.
Should have some romantic and now Falan.
It's a pity.
Why not? Like none of them not text back for real. Falan, give me back my money cause none of them not text. Come.
So I can't want to call off a bet?
Call you off of course.
No, mama, just wait a little bit more, man.
You know, sister, none of them not text. None of them not text
Check
back.
your phone again.
See me phone right there so. None of them not text yet. Come, pass it.
Just wait a little bit, man.
You're not even going to put for your 10. Pass me money.
Me tell you, say me I go for me have it.
Come, pass it. None of them
Just wait a
not
little
text.
bit, man. Yanni, wait a little bit.
Come, give me the money.
Yanni! That's cool now, man. I tell you, say me soon put.
Alright,
See in
one
text. In text back.
What you just say?
Text come in. In text back.
Let me see that. What you say?
You really want to
See
see?
me man text you back?
Of course, see? Breathe for yourself then.
You know what? Actually, you have manners making text you back here.
Have manners.
You don't know who text.
Call.
What your girl in text back too fast?
Nobody feel hype. Nobody feel hype, Yanni.
Alright, fine. Come and send your next text again.
Where you go say now?
How are you today? Can I make we link up?
Say same thing too.
Yes, I see them. Yes.
See how he responds to those.
How are you today?
What?
You get back text already?
No.
Oh, your friend. I mean,
Lucky you frightened.
why they didn't text? They didn't take long to text you, man.
See a county letter then.
Well, you not like it, I go nowhere. You know, I go nowhere.
You stubborn door.
Alright, feel one answer back. Saying
Someone had even
okay.
text back all now.
What you know, me ask him if he can make we link up today. He say why not? You know text back here?
I'll know. Hey!
What you say?
Ain't good, but read. So I'm anxious and nervous in that one. Never ask him if we can link up then. Anyways, secret admirer. Can we link up?
A good thing when they call off the bet, you know.
Want the money?
Well, I have them an answer first and all.
Must have rap must text Holly.
You get back message?
No, sir. So one is slow.
See? Your man out there, girl. My man have no time to up and down, you know.
I might have that sweat.
I feel one top text too far.
Sorry, I can't service. Could never.
Me tell you, say the only reason you get the text actually you have manners.
You know what I feel hype.
Your man saying the woman in the video. Falan. No, sir, this serious. Let me see this. Abe, hold that in your face. Where your man there?
No.
You don't know in there? You sure you're not in there? Can you just say me saying the woman?
I know me no bother no.
Or a lie in the tell. You text me. Where you say your man in there or you not in there?
Mama, to me vex look on me trying to just try. Me don't want to catch up on my feelings too much.
Whoa.
You know about trying it hype. You good as see me in there. Me vex me everyone
Yeah,
too.
cause you just say in there.
Well, me a text back your one say please.
You're not getting nowhere with me one for long.
It's also easy and so quick. You go for me 1 yard. You see, send it home.
Me just a test him out, man. You know, say me not do that.
Them have only for home, you know. When time man say home.
Not that again.
You don't know where is the home.
Alright, me ask him if me can come by. Me see what him a go say. Wow, bummer. What you know? Inna me face. No. Me ask him why not.
Me tell this one, please. But no, me have a girl later stranger. And he can't try to shame me now.
Me what tell him say me miss him and see what he say.
You must say we don't. Oh, you have to miss him.
No worry yourself. You think say one woman there have a cancer every day, my man.
So you now go wonder who miss him.
You know if sorry for you when you so quick in text back. And then how much text he send after? No worry yourself.
Him now go wonder who miss him.
So me not tell him say you need. I said it's a brother you take long for text.
God no. Busy bye. You read it now, man. I say him hard like a horseshoe.
You
No.
ask him in there?
Alright. Where you at? I must.
Me tell you once me miss him, I'll know you no answer.
Where you at, babe? Because me don't want to get too harsh with you, you know. So I'm gonna about yeah, black me.
No, you block your picture, you know.
Eh. No, man.
If you want to look like him, done text or in credit, done. You never part of money, meanwhile.
You back part of which money?
Yes,
You know,
man,
to be carrying,
stop.
to walk with a tool and come here and look at dollars here, come go and like.
I have a girlfriend. Wow, well at least be honest. Alright, me I go call him and see what he say.
Cause this is not go nowhere. Sorry.
Hello?
Speaker.
Hey baby, what's up?
Yeah, I still don't know how this is.
Me not tell you say you meet the girl where you meet downtown.
Yani,
Yeah.
I'm really talking about it, so. Like, that's true, I'm early.
Hold on then, my phone a break up, babes. Hold on.
You can't, no baby me, because I know you.
You know if you move so strong. Me I see you for a long time and like you and me get your number from one of my friend them.
Oh, one of your friends. No,
Yeah.
this doesn't sound right.
Oh you mean them in a friend in the street? Long time I want a tall, strong man like you, you know.
Bye-bye, we don't know you.
Hello? You man hang up. No Falan. You're safe girl, you man not do no bun.
If you trouble, make trouble in your neck.
Call for me one.
I speak at way.
Mm-hmm. Man say no know me by.
Press star to make it your tune.
Hello,
What is it?
your secret admirer.
Yeah, you did admire. How come? I'm not going to be nobody admire.
I've been texting you.
Oh, are you a text?
Yes, you take too long for reply, so I'm gonna call you.
Oh, you know, I'm a very busy person, so I will give me number by the way.
Well, I got it from one of my friends, you know. Told her I was interested. So where you
You're
at?
not. I mean, I know if you're not assassin or something, I
No.
mean, give me my number, so who you get my number from?
No, she trusts me, so she gave it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, she know it would be a perfect couple, you know.
We.
Yes,
Come on.
yes, perfect.
Okay.
Sent from
I
heaven.
need to get something laughing right here.
Yes.
I don't.
So
I
can we meet? Can we meet up?
Me. Oh, why? Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to this one too fast, too.
No, we can meet up and talk. We don't have to go too far. Can meet up and talk. You can meet up. You don't have to be in any close-up areas or anything. So why you so shy? You're a man. It shouldn't be me.
Wait, you want to be a friend?
Yes, can start from there.
No, if you don't, I just,
Okay, we can be friends. We can be friends.
But we're busy right out here, so.
Okay, so later then. We can talk a bit later. Not long, a bit, you
No,
know.
we're not talking later. If you see me and you may say hi and bye, I them type of friend that me talk, yeah?
Okay. So,
Yeah.
but what if when you see me, you think different?
No, me not think different.
No, we can be friends, remember?
Yeah, but you know, hi and bye friend, if you say, you know, I'm going to be friend and bye, because you see me, you know me, I mean, I know you, I mean, this is the people, so.
Oh, so you have somebody?
Yes, I'm somebody, I'm happy with somebody, so. Later.
Okay, but I can still call you though.
No.
A bit.
Goodbye, please.
Oh, please, later, honey. I'll check up on you. I'll still call him.
Something
The man
like-
fierce, you know what?
Well, at least they're honest. They are girlfriends. If you want hang up quick in a me,
I'm going to give me dial to one.
you know what? Me have a friend. She named Brittany.
Look like if you feel one like it no say you're up to something with him. You know man, you know them are free right now though.
You not think about that day. Anyways,
So,
as me I say, we are going to set up a girl pan them, the two of them. Me have a friend named Brittany. She's supposed to the home. Me have a call her in a bit and find out. Make Brittany come
Yes.
face to face with the two of them and see what them are going to do. Because Brittany look good, you know. Yeah. So they might not go with
Right.
the phone thing, but
One of them have to break or two of them. So one of them have to break.
probably a fair one.
Probably it will be yours.
Look here.
You don't know. We don't know yet.
I
Bet
didn't
is still
say-
on. The bet is still on.
Give me back $5 grand.
No money. No. No money. No money.
Aye, look here. You can't tell
The
Brittany
bet-
about this, you know? Because me not share the money, you know?
Me, yeah,
Okay.
after me not gonna do that. Bet is still on.
Alright,
No worry
guess
yourself.
what?
Me put the 10 on it.
Me have a call, Brittany.
Alright, but now text back your man.
Please don't.
I will not.
Me know say my man not cheat for me. A good man me have. But still, me have to go text back Fallon, man. I mean, no to the man there. Alright, me call Brittany now. I hope she available.
Huh?
Brittany,
Yeah.
how are you there now?
You there for me yard?
Ma, you come check me for me yard. Me have a work, so me want you mash for me.
Alright.
Come in at something sexy, you know.
Alright, you're forward.
Alright, right now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Kimberly says, yes, hello.
Come check me on the night bed right now.
Where's Yannick?
Come check me on the yard now.
Alright then. Let's see a word then.
Alright.
Cool.
Go up on the veranda, yeah. Come, goody, hurry up. I have time to waste. Brittany, walk up, man, urgent.
See that me I do. So I'm going.
Me there. Good.
Yeah, man.
Alright, here one. Me and my friend. Alright, it's like we are trying to set up with man. But the texting and the calling thing in our work. So me want you to flirt with them. Because me know say my man loyal. Fallon she claims to fear man loyal. So me want you figure to the two of them and see if you can break them. That's all.
Yeah, man, it's an easy thing to do, my girl.
So you say you can mash your work now?
Of course.
Alright, me I go and wait for Fallon because me call her all long and I know she can't reach us so.
Alright.
Because me know say my man loyal, you see me? But we still can't swear for them 100%.
Because I say a man they name, you know, a man they name.
So, now you do your thing. You know for me man already, not true?
Of course.
Okay.
Who, Babsy?
No, so me and that the man they left long time.
Yeah.
My new man named Tax, you know.
Yeah.
But me still, you see me,
That's all I
me
can
trust
money.
him. No worry yourself about that. Just do your work and afterwards we talk about payment if you forget payment.
Yannick! What? What Yannick? What? Chap. They up on the double man.
You good?
Right through.
How are you there so long?
Why? See the road and thing, I'm if you watch the road, you know.
Anyway, see here.
From me see me know. Stay good.
Spin, Brittany, spin. So her body big?
Yeah man, she look good, she stay good. Yes man.
Right through.
She stay good, girl look nice. Yeah man, she can't mash she work. No, yeah man. Right through.
So I'm ready.
Ready?
Right away.
One sec. Alright. Brittany says she ready.
Yeah, come on then.
I'm up to date. Are you there upon the double? So come on. Let's see what I go on.
Come, me lock me door so no want people coming and me. Tax around and cousin, so me not go really lucky. Me I just dry up. Oh no, come on.
Something in there for thief too.
Door. Now worry yourself, Falan. Sure.
I see a scooter me right, you know.
Then
And then
try
chair we
one,
can
hold
hold
for
on this.
You can see it long.
Come try.
One this so, one this so, one this so.
Come on, Van and Brittany. So if me speak, we can't hold this one.
Come let me try still.
Come
up, Brittany.
Nobody come, me can't hold Van that.
Can't manage you know.
Better we take taxi.
I'll just take a taxi.
Makes sense.
Can't manage you. Wait, you know, I'm just a push out, you know. But when you feel some bag safe as I do.
Goody, come on, man. It's safe. Just come on.
Alright. See a word, you know.
The hell is when you come back in again. I joke, man. I joke.
Any baby? Oh, one of the attack. Yeah. Hey, what go on, babe?
Reach on that?
Yeah, no, so I just reach home and thing.
Okay. Me and my friend them big up on the road.
Eh?
So yeah, deal with it.
Well, so a movie me want to watch still and just kick back, you see it?
You sure you know I meet up in the town and get something to eat?
Why,
I
that,
feel like to cook today, you know.
why that sound good, you know? You know, so. That sound good, man.
Alright, meet beside Burger King.
Alright, now forward, right away.
Alright.
Alright. I'm send for this soccer JP down cut short for them bill, you know.
Make sure. Place is so crowded.
I may say you're sure over here so if you there talk.
Yes, so.
Me not think so. You better we go over beach park. It's more quiet.
Place is too noisy and crowded.
I may say.
But you just wait until he call you with him so we over beach.
That sound better. I feel nice over here so.
Better we just go over beach. So when he call you, you tell him say we over beach.
Yeah,
You
man.
not call him yet.
Alright.
So, we now go to the beach.
Yes.
Then come on.
Call her, yeah, man, cause I don't know what I'm going to say. She called me to come down and say I'm going to see her. None at all. What a place she played me, I'm call her. Well, one of them burger then.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, babe?
I can hear you, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Me there Burger King. I'm going to see you. And right now, I smell the burger. Are you not there to buy a burger?
You know what? We're over beach park. Couldn't take the knives around here, so I'm just, beach park.
Oh, you have a beach park?
Yeah, so just come. 'Cause I 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 just come. '
Alright.
Click on it soon.
Yeah, man, me afford.
Alright.
Alright, here one. Call taxi in the anyway, so it's one go hide up somewhere.
Me and Brittany go ahead somewhere.
Yeah, go and
I'll
hide.
go for now. Come on.
Alright.
Right now, hurry up.
Alright, Yannick.
Walk up, man, walk up. Not even know which side this man will come from. Hold on, me call taxi, I'll know you can.
Alright. What?
Hi, baby.
Why? God no. Never see I saw you just up and go to that. Oh wow. Hey man, you make tablet man, I take care of me.
Not like that.
Alright. So you say we are going to get the burger and thing you know?
No, but I want no burger, it take too long to come.
So man.
Look how long me call you. How would you say text me phone? Shoot. Babes, you don't know what happened now.
How happened?
My boss just text me say, me have to come in.
Babes.
Look here, babes. Me gonna make it up to you here. Me gonna make it up to you, man. What you say about next week Tuesday?
So you got okay now?
Yeah, me have to go away, boss just text me.
Alright, so where are we going to work? You can't go work like that.
Remember say me have uniform at work.
Oh yeah, uniform at work?
Yeah. Babe, sorry man.
Alright, later.
Alright. Love you.
Yeah man, love you too, baby.
One straight home, you know.
Alright.
Hi. Okay, get a minute.
Minute.
Yeah.
No.
Just 1 minute.
Alright, what?
I'll stay right here, sir.
Let's sit down there too.
Just 1 minute. Just put up my phone.
Where?
Well, what's your name?
I talk to me, man. I talk to me. That's it.
So what you gonna do on the beach?
Me alone on the beach. Me I go, you know, me calling me. My lady, understand? I go, me now.
Oh. Well, can I get your digit?
My digit. Why am I don't know? Boy, you look good though. You understand? Yeah, man, I look strong.
Somebody me I look to because you single at the moment.
Yeah, look somebody. You're not afraid somebody beat you up or something?
No?
You're not afraid? Okay.
Look how my body look nice. We are deal with my youth. Just one time, you know?
It's one time.
One time.
And nobody know.
Or can I stretch longer too?
Why?
Nobody not to know about it. So what you say?
I want to take so long, man. They might take real long.
Stop going some man.
Why girl look good eh? Sir.
So what you say?
The opportunity I look good.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Some don't want to really stop here so too long.
Why? You sure? I'm not tricky or try to trick me or
Me
something?
not trick you, my youth. Me see how me like you. What's the big deal?
A long time someone doesn't me I like me, you know. What's up for me? Eh? What you see? What you see for me?
Me don't know. Me don't see you.
You just see me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Then what Taxi and Brittany turn up this I talk about so? Me tell Taxi go tell him to go straight home, you know. No sir, this not safe. I wonder if Taxi will carry home that girl there. Jesus, no sir. This no safe at all. Alright, now we're going. I hope me not lose that bet, you know. Me can't afford to lose this.
Turn on, see. Boy.
Just stop going and come on. Come on. Come on, man. Now stop going so. Come on.
No sir. Tax really gone with Brittany. Me go to Fallon. No sir. Fallon. What? You don't know say Tax gone with the girl. Eh, Tax gone with Brittany. Like seriously? You know, long been time apart, that's how they chat and me I watch them till me see the look here.
And Brittany gone too.
Come on.
Follow him gone.
Me can't believe. Look how me I swear
No
upon the boy.
man, Yannick. Me tell her to just swear for him.
God, no. What? Wait. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Nervous, I don't know, but I feel it fast. Yeah? I feel it fast. I feel it fast. Alright, girl, look chang in the man. Look chang. Is you ready? Alright, come here.
You take it off,
You
man.
take it off?
Yeah, you take it off.
Alright, cool. No, come on, you have to take off your shoes then first. Come on, you have some bedding. Alright, fine. Alright, come on, we'll get into it.
Tax! Tax!
Yeah!
Me can't believe say this you do to me.
Almighty.
Tax, me call your phone and you not answer me. Are you in the hospital, man? Alright. Me come round in and make sure it's the door open. What?
Come on.
Yes, sir.
How am I going to tell her, say no?
Tax, me can't believe you. Can't believe you.
Out of this world.
Me call your phone and you not answer. Come out here to me, Tax. Me can't believe say this you do me.
Sir.
Tax! Tax, open the door. believe you. Can't believe that this is dummy talk. Can't. Can't believe that. Never know, say. You don't do me this. He's serious. Yeah, tell me say you love me. Yeah, tell me say you love me. He's serious, man.
Things are going around them, man. See the girl never come and just let me tell her what go on. Things that are going, you know. Things that are going. Her nice body there. Man. The nice body this Jano Star.
Licky Ross. You come and talk about love, eh? And you look up in the house with the woman and me I call your phone and you not answer.
I say, Lenny, me coconut.
Come on. You can't bother with this.
Should I want jelly?
But stick up in, you know, so Britney. Come like to should I do it with him for true.
Well,
you know,
like
look
she
like
really
that.
into it, but true want to see other one. We just go on easy, though.
Alright, come on. Come inside.
Britney.
Yo, what going?
There.
You know, it's a really nice smiling video. Because it just look like
How?
if you indeed take off your clothes, you'd just make you take it.
Who wanna make you take it?
You sure?
You can't tell me say anybody that think nothing.
When I think nothing, my
All them
girl.
the sweet giggling the way they pan.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes, if you pretend I you act like you real.
Then I pretend, me I pretend.
You
Me
not
make it
pretend,
make
so.
you look like saying real, my girl.
I saw
What
you
I
do
talk
it.
about?
Okay, anyways. Fallen man time, you know.
Mm-hmm. Just
That's
you
why
want
you-
to see other one, you know. You're lucky, you know.
You have to go get her a piece of food, you know, because she good.
What a talk about the food, mama.
You mean?
You got to say you good.
You not hear nothing. See, I'm blind here and there, but you should just.
Alright, Britney, we are going to take spare man, you know.
Yeah, we see that one test though.
Come on.
Alright, come on.
Come on.
Hey!
Well, Britney. Yannick.
Spare man.
I'm my man time now, you know, Britney. But I go on with the antics, you know.
Look here, you have to go do our man same way like you do.
Don't listen to her.
Yeah,
Why not?
same way. Or do look extra. Because me want to know.
Nobody
Fair man.
catch up on your feelings.
Girl, when I catch up on no feelings.
That way they do it for Yannick.
Fallen, call him and find out when there.
You just well want this work.
Come, hurry up, hurry up.
True, you see what go on, you just want me want to see what go on with
Come.
yourself. With
We
me,
want to know if a man loyal or not.
you will find out. My man loyal girl.
You know, if they hype in a Fallen, hurry up and call him. Make sure you do look extra with fear, man.
Of course.
Relax.
Hello, Fallen,
Want me, babes?
Yeah, man.
Want me? You can come check me.
Which one?
Well, I'm over beach park.
My beach park.
Yep.
Alright, me, I come.
Make sure you see you're coming on. I'll be
I'm on
waiting.
my way right now, I'm on my way.
Okay, love. Mwah. Ciao.
Alright. Come on.
You know what?
You're a kiss on top more.
Hold you.
In my ears when me call him. You're going like a man loyal more than any other man.
You see, I treat me though.
No worry yourself. When Britney done
We
with
shall
job,
see.
we will see.
We shall see where Britney can come with.
We shall see.
You have to come good.
Right now, me not trust no man. No man at all, me not trust.
But trust my man. Me trust my man.
You know something like how you're hype Fallen.
I don't hype this.
You know if they go on so.
But trust my man. You did trust him, man. No, you're not bad at trust him. Me still trust my man. Me not see nothing not trust him for it.
Alright, Fallen, alright. He thinks that Taxman love me, you know, and I'm me alone. You have and look how easy you get through to him. Yeah,
And the one bring you up to it, you know.
she and so she do her thing. Leave her.
Alright. Lady in red. Right,
When he
Britney.
come, where you go tell him say?
Well, I gotta tell him, say. What should I do? Make Britney meet him? But come out I see him.
You think you is? You better you tell him say you have something if you go.
Me have somewhere to
When
go.
him call
Leave
you.
him here.
Yes. So
Leave
he
him
come
here,
so,
Brittany.
You will see directly say I him.
Leave
So
him
you
here.
just
Tell him
do
say me
your
I go
thing
somewhere.
afterwards.
And when he come to him say even though me call a baby, me I go up and look a rush and come back, you know. You know know how long me I go for, you know.
I'm here here with you.
Yeah, I go there with him. Here now. He go that soon depend on where you know. So, you need care what go on now. You go wait for me over craft market here.
Alright.
Brittany, you can soon come now when I go that soon come me call me call him.
Me I cut same time then.
Alright, so Brittany, you can just easy back and just watch who he person be and how he look and something. So you can know so when me left, you just walk over. So me go tell him something, make him tell him say me have to go to work. Alright. Get 1 year and me have to go to work.
Alright, so I'll just go over there. So when you come over here,
Yeah, just go and watch.
approach him.
Yes, just go and watch.
Alright, I'll go over here. So.
Alright.
Wow.
Hi, James.
Wow.
There, alright.
Oh, Sasha man that. The time man that she want. Then good body there. So what for go on?
Is it
Carry rush comes on at you.
Of course. So
Well, be some day, you know.
you just something you just don't cook.
I ain't carry none for me.
Because you just can't just cover it up and rush come here.
I ain't want to see if you even carry even one dumpling for me.
Calm down now, man. You can't me now.
Anyways.
Drop everything and left you.
Me I take a walk right to son.
But no. You know, say come here.
Yes, you know, sir. Me have one appointment. So, me have to go, me have to go do it and come back.
So you go let me by myself.
A beach, so you can just chill out a little bit until me come.
Alright. Go on do your thing.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I'm there wait. Yeah.
Alright. Give me a hug before I'm gonna.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, she go here now. Go on, cream. You can make a one. Hello.
Alright.
What is your name?
My name is Chuck Lord.
Oh, my name is Brittany.
Hi, Brittany.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Why, Nick?
There na. There's a man come already.
Yes.
Listen. The thing you can say for yourself. It's time to eat. We are me eager girl.
Eager for no.
Right now, my belly button is happening.
So we're out here I do by yourself.
You for my girlfriend. Then go and do one year. Just keep back on her way for that till she come back.
So I can't keep her company.
Yeah, until she come.
She come back out here.
Yeah.
How long she take?
No, probably an hour or less.
So can I get to know each other?
Can't no, because I'm a girlfriend. And I love her. I don't want to give her no bun nothing. So you're single?
Yeah, I'm single.
You're single?
So I can't catch on the side.
No, I'm not good for you, man. Because my woman come and see your side of me. She go in an argument and I don't want that. You understand? So it's best if you just stay right there so I just chill right there so. So, oh, you know I'm my boyfriend?
I don't know.
Let me say you know. Are you so good looking?
This is me come out here, come to you. Come here, try impress you. But seems like you're not interested.
Well, what I do about me and my girlfriend, but
She
nah,
don't have to
go
know
on.
about it. She don't have to know about it.
Well, if I start text, she go ask so me I move so weird when me there around her and I don't want that to happen. So it's best if me just stay cool and just stick to her
But we
alone.
can still there and be cool same way.
Best if we just, if I keep it as a friend, we just keep it as a friend, but it can't go happen.
But me can the same way and
No, because
Never.
if you give me number and you start calling and text, if you go start move and say that if you hands on you and this and that, we can't really listen there.
well, since that's not interested then, so no, no, good.
You can't do that, man.
Alright, later.
Alright. Alright, you too.
There. Look like him pass, man. Come. Me no see man get up on the girl, get up on a go.
Alright, Colin, alright.
Me still did it. And she have left.
Alright, so you bingo there, so.
Where you go? We can't talk right now, so I'm not going to come and see. Come on, come on.
Where we go? Alright, come down so.
Why you're one.
Is somebody loyal, man? You loyal?
I told you.
You're not breaking.
I tell you.
No, you loyal.
Tell her,
You know,
Yannick.
you know, up to it.
I know man, they wait so long. I know me I go because my food I get cold, so they take me go.
Yannick, you not bad for your man.
Ball for which man, Colin?
If I me a bad for my man, Yannick.
girl,
Me
me
feel
not do
you
that.
don't know me. Cry for your man. So you cry when you go home.
Me not shed one tear.
Cry
over
if I me a ball.
That's how you me a different girl.
Me
Bring
a-
a ball over now, man. No care
I say I
about.
can Britney too, you know. Say I can ask, are you too?
For me, if you can't, I want to tell you
Even-
to do it.
She
Even
do her
though,
job. She do her job.
Exactly.
even though, you know me a talk about though. You're just still there kind of loyal with your man. I don't know nothing.
You
But
know
you
what
want to find out loyalty this, loyalty that.
Me kind of like say this happening, you know.
Why? You did have a feeling though then.
For sure, say. You can't swear for nobody. No care how long you're a person.
You can't swear, Yannick.
Hold on. Let me talk. Me heart come like it go explode, but me not go make
But then
tax
make him
get
come
the
up, yes, sir.
Me not make tax get the better me. Britney no ball over now,
Come.
man.
I talk about she have a Al-Qaeda, Al-Qaeda bomb in her arm.
Who will give me money?
I must you.
Me not have no money. All of my money me give you and see me lose the bet. So you have to go get her money out of it.
I want my money because I do what I do already. I need my money, I not laugh.
I make you get lose him, man.
Hold on.
It's not my fault that
You have to
How
go
much money
get
you
her.
fi give?
I do my job, I need my money.
Remember, say you don't bother want back none, you know.
No, me good, man. Me
So,
good.
mom, if you give her
I
that.
will survive. Just get her 5 grand out of it and take the rest.
So me can't give time, me can't give $500.
Look here, just give the girl 5 grand. Just $5,000.
We never really make that arrangement at first, you know. But you see, through come into play, me a game.
If I anyway have to come in and play, how would I find out the tax are cheap?
We never say we are going to share it 2 way, 3
Alright,
way.
just come on.
Alright.
Britney, come on, may I ask you?
Why didn't you ask me for everything? I'm like,
I don't need that. tired.
Yeah, that's you. Pop off this. Pop off it off the head and say head at you.
You will know me that.
You know where head at you. You shop like me, I forgot. Me go. Wait here, so here. I soon come here up in the shop.
Alright, mommy.
Now call me no man, me young.
Balan, hurry about me shop. Sun hot, you know.
Come on in, my establishment. Don't try hurry, you know. Have a money time.
Where money dey?
You want the $500 or you want $5,000?
$5,000.
Then no money?
Then no must.
Give me Yannick.
Of course, Balan.
So money dey?
Just hold a little bit of money every day. I don't money that no people that have
push me down in that beach park.
$500 $500 give
So
her.
this me run for all along.
You want next one too, you know?
Look here, the girl
See,
do
I can
her
hear things that
job.
happen, you just want me to shoe board.
She do her job, give her the money. Right now, me want go home.
Take two, Brittany.
Two, what two can do?
$1,000 a piece.
Eh.
$1,000 piece. So $2,000 me I work for all along.
That is enough. I should have $1,000 you get. And a my man do not, a fair man do not, I should have one man money you get.
You know what?
My man
I
liar.
don't time to argue with you here.
Me owe you.
You need me agree here.
Alright,
Buy someone juice and eat it back and cool on your chest,
Brittany,
man.
Brittany,
Cause you cause all of this a problem, yeah.
Never
Thank you,
again.
Jesus.
Brittany called me here.
Call me to Brittany.
And she never call you.
So she call her, she not call me.
Me can't bother
Me
with her
know you.
sometime, you know.
What you bother with me for?
Balan, sometimes if you just
A year man, me win the bet, you know. Me win the bet.
It was just a loyalty test, Balan.
Loyalty test.
Loyalty test. I know my man was
Falan,
loyal.
who say no fit play with me then, you know? Loyalty test, you want?
Loyalty
Loyalty test, you want get. Sit in that chair, set me up. See me loyal. Alright then. Alright, Falan.
Just give me a thing out of your money.
Jesus Christ, you didn't know see your bag back sitting, you know. You come like you man sell one cylinder 10
Give me
times.
$500, me fear
You
no
don't have
one.
fear, Yannick. Go and
You know
drive
what?
one, man.
Keep your money. It's alright, me gone.
Take 5 steps and go on.
Can't bother with you, Falan. Me done with you.
You call me tomorrow.
Not even $500 you can't give me,
Take
Falan.
5
Eh?
steps and go on, Yannick. Come here, you still a link. No?
May you still a link? No worry yourself.
Me, you shouldn't have this argument there, no, because you see, I'm mine.
Falan,
We are besties. So
no worry yourself. Me I go reach you, me here.
you will reach, Yannick.
$500 you can't give me to pay me fear.
Yeah, me people, you don't know, say a taxi now, you come to the end of this video, you know, part 1, you see me? Yeah, man, so just tune in and get ready for part 2, you don't know the thing setting, man. I want to say bless up to everyone who support the thing continuously. Yeah, man, because enough things are coming up. You see it, can't do so much, but just stay tuned and do the right thing.
And that smells so nice.
Yes guys, so this is the car back hair salon. Car door, car back hair salon. Yeah man, I get ready for the shoot, you know. Big things are going, yeah. Yeah man. I saw them here looking at me like man, Jai like chip. You know? Jai like chip. Fala let's get, fala na pani me, yet.
This is Brittany.
Yeah.
That's what I said, so Yannick, watch this.
I'm looking at real life.
That's what I said, Yannick, watch this. On.
Yeah man, car back hair salon.
Funny head.
Team out, you're doing the right thing, you know.
Then we
Yeah man,
here,
so
how
yo,
do we here?
This is Yanni.
thanks to support the thing, you know. I don't know the thing, so we there going to be blessings to everyone, you know.